If you're watching this video, like and subscribe to get all of our piano tutorials here at Just the Chords. This song, Vampire, just features 6 chords. We're going to learn those first, and then a few patterns, and then go through the whole song. The first chord we're going to learn is F, F, A, and C. That's where the song will begin. And N, it's our root, that's our home key, F, A, C. After that, we're going to need an A7. We're going to spell that A, C sharp, E, G. A7, A, C sharp, E, G. Get a little extra color. We're going to turn that into a B flat major, B flat, D, F. B flat major on B flat, D, and F. And then we're going to make that B flat minor. So keep the outer fingers the same, just make the middle finger go down a half step to a D flat. So now we'll spell it B flat, D flat, F, B flat minor. There's that middle one. And then in the verse, the pattern will begin again. But let's learn 2 extra chords this song throws at us. To start out the choruses, onto that pattern we just learned, we're going to tag on a G minor at the top of the chorus. Spell that G, B flat, D, G minor, G, B flat, D. Get in your chord practice now. And the last chord we're going to learn for this song is C major. C, E, G. C major. C, E, G. We love it. Let's practice some of these patterns here in one hand. In the verse, like I said, we're going to start on an F, F, A, C. Move that to our A7, A, C sharp, E, G. Move that to a B flat, D, F. And then B flat minor, just that middle finger comes down to B flat, D flat, F. That's our verse. We'll repeat that. To start out the chorus pattern, let's get on that G minor, G, B flat, D. Take it to a C, C, E, G. And then we get back to that pattern we just learned. It's going to be an F, and then an A7, and then a B flat major, and then a B flat minor. The bridge just mixes those chords around a little more. Follow me when we get there. Let's go through the whole song. I'm now going to do this in 2 hands. Those chords we learned will be mainly in this right hand, sometime with some inversions, meaning I might spell them differently, like that beginning F. I could bring that C to the bottom, spell it like that. The left hand I'm using for roots, meaning the name of the chord, like in my F chord, could be playing F down here. Maybe it's 5th, C in the middle. When I go to A, same thing. This hand's going to be playing A's with maybe that E 5th in the middle as this hand does the A7. Still roots. Still roots. You get it. Let's get into this song. Start on an F. Intro. A7. B flat minor, 2, 3, the verse begins. Minor, repeat the pattern. Passing tone. Chorus. G minor, C, F, A. Back to the verse pattern, right? We make it minor. It builds, go to F. Then flat, B flat minor, 1, 2, 3, 4, F. Verse 2. Restart that pattern, F. The chorus. Make it minor. Build it up. Ready, B flat minor, 1, 2, 3, 4. It's the bridge. C, B flat minor, F, C. Hit them all. Chorus. Last pattern, F. Ready, B flat minor, 1, 2, 3, and on F.